hate to see that wood go to waste. Man.
We're clearing our way through the Blue Trail. We're on the Red Trail right now. This is a bridge going towards the University Forest. This bridge actually is made with wooden pegs.
It's a lime tree. And that cedar's a lime tree.
The nature trail begins near the hovel. There are some signs and also a map box. This is a pleasant scenic hike along Blackman Stream with some interpretive signs. This is the start of the Blue Trail. This goes through some old growth forest, a more challenging trail. Comes out at the museum near the Beanhole Bean Pit. The other end of the Blue Trail is near the Beanhole Bean Shed. There's a sign by the start of the trail and some old growth pines. Also a number of blowdowns from the 2017 windstorm. Oh, Tim, this is from the windstorm of last year.
Yeah, October of 2017.
And these are some cookies to check ages, right?
Yep.
That's over probably 30 inches, maybe 3 feet.
Yeah. Yep.